Okay, so first of all, why we need entropy and why we need the disorder? It's actually very simple. We need disorder because we want the materials with more functionalities. Therefore, we add more species. Okay, and therefore, eventually, once you add more species, you end up creating disorder. Why? Because the more species you get, the more disorder you will get. And I show you that there is a curve actually describing this. So this is an example of what happens when you add disorder. So when you have a low temperature, you have what is called these low entropy regions, which are usually decomposition of phases. And when you enter the high entropy phases, when you have the disorder, you have this what is called the solid solution. And this is just an example of copper nickel, right? So this area is all FCC, where it's all copper nickel are pretty much random. At a very high temperature, they will be very random. At low temperature, there will be some sort of